Hello, this is Tom Cloud with this week's Precious Metals Market Update. Things have been very quiet in the precious metals market, and the price has actually fell this morning as I record this on Wednesday, July the 5th, one day after our birthday for our country. What a celebration it was. What all we had to be thankful for in this country, and yet we still have a lot of problems. But anyway, what I want to talk about is the buy signal from the stalker, the world's most famous precious metals trader who's had every trade documented since 1993 by Bill Murphy at La Metropole Cafe, a website, a subscription website that many I was subscribed to. But the stalker, who has a flawless track record, on Monday moved his clients 100% into silver, right just above $16, $16.05 I think it was. But anyway, we see this morning silver's down to just below $16 and really only about 4% higher than it was when the year started. I will say this, from following the stalker for 14 years, doing my own work, taking other newsletters, I claim this is the best opportunity to buy silver I've ever seen. Not just because the price is down, but the premiums are down because a lot of the major wholesalers are having their bids hit and they're buying more inventory than they really want, but they have to buy it because they're market makers. So it's produced some incredible opportunities, and while everywhere in the world there's a shortage of silver, especially in Asia, but in the United States we have an abundance of physical silver. Currently, of course, that can change overnight, but right now we've got a lot of silver at very low premiums. I'm sure you saw my special we put out on Friday of last week, right before the long 4th of July holiday. So anyway, I will, without declaring an all-out buy signal myself until I've had a chance to review everything I've had come in and everything I do myself, I will say it's got to be an incredible buy, and it could get a little better. We may see the low today, July the 5th. I've already seen one prestigious writer say that the bottom is in this morning at $15.92, I think he said. But anyway, I recommend you buy silver and buy it as quickly as you can and as much as you want in your portfolio, because this is, in my opinion, the last cleaning out and the last time the shorts will have control of this market, maybe for years to come. But just watch, because everything we're hearing and seeing is demonstrating a big jump in both gold and silver that will start as early as today and as late as the future contract expiration 3 weeks from tomorrow. So sometime in that 3 weeks, you need to be doing your homework, calling us, asking us questions, asking us about specials that we have out there in the domain, or we may have some that we don't have enough coins to publish. But if you ask for it, Dan or Kathleen or I will give you the best deal we have available. So anyway, hopefully that'll make a lot of sense to you. On the gold front, gold continues to be amazing. We've even seen Dennis Gartman writing this week, he's never seen such strength when the stock market's gone up like it has, and gold is still up 5% for the year, and the dollar is falling. Gold really should be up about 40%, because gold is, the dollar is down over 4% for the year. And as I've said many, many times on this show, Trump wants a weaker dollar. We're going to have a weaker dollar, which is going to translate to higher precious metal costs. And when the velocity of money after this tax situation, whether we're going to have tax cuts and how much, both corporately and individually, then, in my opinion, you'll see stocks fall and gold and silver race much higher. But it is a time to get your questions answered and call and talk to us about what kind of specials we have, both in gold and silver. There'll be a lot more pickup and information, as I said, in 3 weeks, when this is a crucial, every year in the July futures market, when they expire, it gives us the direction for the next 4 months. It's almost 100% foolproof. So anyway, let's watch it, see there, but I'll tell you, it's safe to go in and buy it. For those that don't have precious metals IRAs, you can own physical precious metals by getting a self-directed precious metals IRA. Give Dan or Kathleen our call. We can walk you through how to get a custodian. We can function as your broker and representative. So just give us a call. We can help you with that. But certainly it's a great place to have that part of your assets is in precious metals at these prices. And like I said, they both had a respectable year already. So, but right now they're at an incredible value. So hopefully we've answered a few questions. But as I said, we'll be looking at things closer as we get to what usually is the most important time, and that is see what happens and who goes long in the future market for and how big the shorts are on the short side of trying to control the market. So we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll have more information for you next week. Until next week, this is Tom Cloud signing out.